Hello, class. As you realize, I am not here today. I will be back tomorrow, and I do have a little GeoGebra um, exploration for you guys to do with this sub. So, what you will need to do is if you go to the Google Classroom, you'll be able to find a link to this GeoGebra exploration here. This GeoGebra has randomized triangles. So, as you recall from our lesson yesterday, we went over the translation, slide, reflection, flip, and rotation, turn. We also did the zoom, dilation, but you won't be seeing those in today's applet. Right? Along with this applet, you should be given a multiple transformation worksheet. And if you haven't been given this, go ahead and ask for it from your sub. But what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to try and transform this original triangle in brown and move it into the green. So, for me, this looks like I need to reflect this about a line. So I'm going to go ahead, click my triangle, make sure the whole triangle is highlighted, and then I need to click the line that I want to reflect it over. Okay, so once I have that, looks like I need to do another transformation. So I'm going to go, and it looks like I just need to use that slide. So I'm going to click this whole triangle, and then I want this point A to be here at my A prime. So I'm going to create a vector from those two, and that slides it on over. So those were my two transformations I needed to get my original pre-image ABC into A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. Alright, so how this is going to work, and you can actually see that what I did is exactly down here. This is how I want you to fill out your worksheet. So I started with my ABC at these 3 points. I decided my first transformation would be a reflection over the x-axis. That transformation function looks like this. That gave me these 3 points, A prime, B prime, and C prime. Then I decided I needed to translate this guy over to the right 2 and up 3. So that gave me from A prime, that gave me an A double prime, B prime, B double prime, and a C prime, C double prime. And you'll notice that in the randomized triangles, you were given this ABC, and you're given the A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So it's really just these 3 in the middle you need to figure out. Right? And as you notice on this worksheet, I have you guys doing 3 of those. And then what I'm asking you to do here in the second question is I want you to make a prediction. Do you think it matters which transformation we do first? Okay, so once you have your prediction, and let's look at that real quickly. In what I just did, could I had slid my triangle to the right 2 and up 3 and then flipped it over the x-axis? Would that have given me the same result as the way I did it, where I did the flip and then the slide? All right. So I want you to make a prediction about that, and I think it's best just not to randomize your third triangle. You can hit the refresh button at the top of the applet, and that will undo all of this business here if you do it with a pointer. There you go. So that'll allow you to try your slide and then flip, in my case. Obviously, your triangles, once you randomize them, will be different, and your transformations will as well. So that's what I have you doing today. Once you're done with that, I might go look back at the dilation construction we did and make sure that yours is done well. Alright, hope all is well, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Okay, I look forward to seeing what your predictions are. Bye.